start mo pa lang with dancing and now you're competing with people who dance since they were
Yes.
young, super young, 'di ba? And at least nakakasabay ka sa kanila. Don't put too much pressure on yourself. But I understand.
you.
Competition is a
Yes.
competition. Talagang best foot forward mo talaga yung nasa lagi mong pina-front, diba? So,
Gusto lang kita i-remind na you're doing so well.
yes,
Thank you.
for
Sobra.
someone who's
Buddy,
just
promise.
starting, oh my
That
God.
is true.
Kita namin
I'm
yun
so
lahat.
proud of you.
And
Actually, I've always known na si Thea, she has really this move. Like, marunong talaga
Diba?
siyang
May groove,
sumayaw.
may groove.
Performer
It's
talaga
just
si Mare.
It's just that,
Fairness talaga.
medyo feel niya lang yung ganun na parang hindi siya as same as the dancers is because hindi niya lang na-hone pa. But I know
Yes.
that she knows how to dance.
Hmm.
Yun. Kaya I'm not super surprised na parang, kasi I hear a lot of people were saying like, ay, dancer pala, sumasayaw pala si Thea. Like, to me, she knows how to dance. Hindi lang masyado
Yes.
na ano because it's been masked by singing. So hindi ako masyadong surprised that you are that good of how you are
Yeah.
now.
Thank you, Mare.